I want to show a very common error done on a lot of roofs is the use of copper rivets with steel mandrels. I don't know if you can see that, but the center of the rivet is rusting because although it was a copper rivet, it was a steel plated mandrel, and mandrel is the center shaft, which breaks off, a piece breaks off and is left in the center of the rivet, which rusts. And when it rusts, it leaves a hole in the middle of the rivet. You should always use, if you're using copper rivets, you should always use rivets with brass mandrels. Here's another example of these rivets. If you look here and here, you can see the steel mandrels rusting right through the solder. That's why these rivets should never be used.